Welcome back to Soil Farming Outdoors, folks. We're back out here this evening, and we're going to be a notching these beams that go on top. We're using these poplar poles as beams that go on top, and we're going to be a notching those today. That one, and that one over there, and we're going to do the same on the back and try to get these beams set up here. But we got rained out yesterday evening after we got all these poles cut off up here. But we're going to notch these poles and start setting them. Well, that was just a little bit aggravating, folks, but we got it. Well folks, we got one of them set, as you can see there. It wasn't easy. It took us about 3 shots to get them things set. We got them set, so we're going to try to get the other one set here. I'll break from the woodshed here a minute, and I'm going to show you this old truck here that we're going to be hauling rocks into our wood yard and putting in our woodshed and stuff like that with it. And we're probably going to be hauling some firewood logs and stuff on it too. But I just thought I'd take a minute and show you folks this, that we're going to be putting this old truck back on the road. What we're doing is setting one end up on the ladder because we got the center post here, and we have to bring it out a little bit so we'll be able to get this one up here, and then we put a nail in it to hold it. And then we go back to the other end down here, and then we pick it up and set it up there and nail it. Well, there you go, folks. We got both of them set up there, and we got them both nailed on. We'll be putting some rafters on next. Alright, folks. Everybody knows that we Husqvarna men around here. But what you don't know is before we got into the Husqvarna is we got these old Mccullochs here. And what we have here, we're going to be introducing to the channel. We got a timber bear here, and it's missing the crank screws, and it's missing the little top knob to go on the over the carburetor cover there. And I'm going to be ordering that, and we're going to be getting this saw running. It's got fire on it, but I think we need to adjust the coil a little bit. But then we just acquired this ProMac 1010 here, and it'll run. I'm going to get him to crank it up here for you in a minute, but I think we're going to put a 28-inch bar. Is that what we're going to put on it? Yeah. We're going to put a 28-inch bar on it, and the timber bear's already got a 28-inch bar on it, so let's get him fired up here for you. What we're doing here is we haven't poured in the spark plug hole because the gasket in the gas tank, it's got a gasket that goes in the gas tank. It's bad, and we've got to order one of those, but we poured it in the spark plug hole. We had it running earlier. It won't run long, but it'll run long enough just to give you an idea of what it's going to do. He gets this plug back in there, and we'll see if she'll fire off for you. We like these old saws, and we're going to be getting into these old saws. We're probably going to end up with some Homolites and maybe some old Johnson Reds and maybe even some older Husqvarnas, I don't know. But we're getting into these old saws. We like them pretty good. Keep in mind, they're stubborn. Won't be stubborn, folks.
I think I put too much gas.
There it goes. There she goes. Runs pretty good, folks. We're going to have to get a bar and stuff and fix that gas tank and get this saw going here. We also like these old tractors too. We might paint this old tractor up, I don't know, but anyway, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being here. And once again, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all you new folks here. I want to thank you for all the support of the channel, and drop some comments, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.